Today we're going to be fishing for some striper and leopard shark and bat rays. And we have our Christmas tree with all our ornaments. And we have my dog, Moosey. Say hi. What is that? And we're gonna go fishing. We have all our bait in the car and our rods in the car. And we're gonna try to catch Emmy's rod's first fish. Our sister's tiny little frozen rod. We're gonna try to catch a big 10-pound fish on it. See if that will work.
And what are you using for bait today?
Anchovies and squid, and if we run out of those, we have a head of a shad.
All right. We'll see you at the pier.
Hello. It's hard to see me, but we're almost at the pier, and we're just passing under the bridge. We're going to the pier. You're right by the, what's it called?
The Aqua Hotel.
The Aqua Hotel and Robata, and we're gonna see what we can catch. So, yeah. Almost there. Just passing Robata. Once again, all our rods and a baseball bat. We're not gonna bring. Bait's right in there. Kind of hard to see. We got some squid, wild caught full string, and we got some anchovies under it, if you can kind of see.
Are we doing any tackle box, or are we just bringing the live bait?
We'll
or the
come back
cut
to the
bait?
car if we really need it.
Well, we need the
But,
bait knife.
yeah, we'll get that out. Bait knife's in there.
Just grab it.
We are not big saltwater anglers. We don't usually go. So that's why we only have Shakespeare's and Oakley sticks and stuff like that. Our heaviest, dutiest saltwater rod, well, not even a saltwater rod, is our bait caster. Bring Emmy's rod. I'll get Emmy's rod. Our biggest saltwater rod, like that's more heavy duty, is probably our bait caster, but it's not even a saltwater rod. So we don't have that many. Oh no. It's so low tide. It's really low tide.
Oh wow.
Can we go somewhere else? Let's go to the spot that we saw on the map, because we can't fish here.
Okay.
Because there's like 2 feet of water. Okay, that's not going to be good. Now we have to go to a different spot that we saw, because it's way too low tide to go fishing. Dang it. Dang, rabbit.
Okay.
Now we need to go to the other spot. Good news is it's not very far away. So we can get there soon.
Alright. Pushing my phone.
Okay. So we're on our way to the spot that we said we were gonna go to. That one actually we couldn't, because there was sheriffs blocking the road for some reason. So we went, you can't see me at all, but we're on our way to the Tiburon pier called Elephant Rock, and hopefully we can catch some rockfish and maybe some halibut, striper, salmon, stuff like that. Probably rare to catch a salmon. You can't see me at all. Sorry about that, but yeah, we also might catch some crabs on the line. That might happen because crabs bite your bait a lot here. Oh, I wish you could see me. That's really annoying. Bye. We'll see you when we get there. Oh, now you can see. It's when the light overheads. So see you when we get there. Oh, it's funny. I have a crab.
Oh my God, you got one.
Oh, it's a fish.
You do have one.
What is it?
The heck?
What is it?
What the heck is that thing?
What is this?
I have no idea.
What is it?
You guys know what this is?
Is this
It's a rockfish, right?
nice? This is mine. That's awesome. I told you I had one. Oh, that's cool. What do I do?
You need help out of it? You got it.
You get it.
All right, here. Can you keep videoing it?
Cool. Okay. We got a fish.
All right, we're gonna put him back though.
Yeah,
These are
definitely.
not to eat.
I don't want to eat a rockfish. I want to have chicken enchiladas. That's so cool. We caught a fish.
Can you get my pliers? Come on,
I
say.
knew I had one. Oh my gosh.
Oh,
I'll hold him.
I got it.
That's so cool. He bit the squid. Oh my gosh. I told you. Oh, I can't wait to get a picture of this sucker.
Are you ready? Want to take a picture?
Yeah, okay.
Oh, shoot.
That's
Okay.
so cool.
Number 2, we got a crab. Okay, going back.
This might be a fish.
Sure looks like it.
Oh, it's a fish. It's a crab. It's a monster crab.
Oh, it's a crab. Bring it on. He's got your bait and another one.
Crab. What kind is it? That's a rock crab, right?
I don't know, but he's tangled up in both of our lines.
This is a day of strain. Okay, can you help me with this?
Yeah.
So, we're on our way home. We didn't catch any other fish than the 2 crabs and the rockfish. The rockfish was really cool because that's our second saltwater fish. We don't really go saltwater fishing, but we're planning on going to that same spot on Saturday. We're going to video it, so stay tuned for that. And so, yeah, that's all we caught today. Hopefully you had fun watching us catch them. And see you in the next video. Bye.